The CTS-V is back, finally. It's been gone. It's been at my mechanic's shop for the better part of 3 months now. We did a transmission rebuild, and while it was out, we did rear main seal, got rid of the dual mass flywheel, replaced it with a regular steel flywheel and a twin disc clutch, new throwout bearing, and hydraulics. So the trans makes a little bit of a noise. It's kind of a strange, I don't know, it's kind of a between grindy, rattly kind of noise at very low RPM, usually between about 1200 and 1800 RPM. Above that, it does not make the noise. And originally it did it in all gears. But now that I put a few miles on it, it doesn't seem to do it in second at all that I could make it do today. And fifth and sixth seem pretty good now too. And before they were really making the noise pretty drastically. So we're gonna drive it around and, you know, show you a couple of clips of the noise that it makes. Third gear, 1200 RPMs. There was the noise a little bit. And fourth gear, 1200 RPMs. Seems to be louder in fourth gear. Fourth gear, 1500 RPMs. Noise. So a funny thing happened. You know how when your car's in the shop for a while, things tend to pile up a bit? So after all that work was done to it, and we did a couple other things, there was the oil temperature sensor that needed to be changed, and it needed an oil change and filter. And they got it all done, and they backed it out. And right outside the bay, this happened. This is the outside. This is what goes through the wheel hub. That end is what goes into the differential. But that must have been cracked for a while, and it just let go when they were backing it out of the bay. Pretty crazy. Not too bad though. We got a brand new GM one, was $350. So, you know, that doesn't make me mad at all. That's a reasonable repair. So other than the transmission noise, it shifts really good. The clutch works really good now. It doesn't fight you to get in gears anymore like it was doing. And in general, I mean, the car's awesome. I mean, I'm starting to wonder now if somebody put a tune on it or something, because it really runs probably better than 400 horsepower naturally aspirated should. And this is not a light car. It's like 3,800 pounds. But I love driving it. It's awesome.